nandito na tayo sa Vietnam. Medyo tumagal kami sa immigration process. Like an hour and 30 minutes. So now, magbubook na kami ng Grab papuntang District 1, kung saan kami naka-check-in. We're looking for the Grab pickup point.
No, because they're walking the outside of parking lot.
There, over there?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's heavy. Thank you. 6868. Ito na kita. Ayan o. Yeah. So, very convenient, I think, yung pinagbukan namin kasi gitna siya and maraming establishment sa malapit. Like, may convenience store doon, may coffee shop doon. Para pala tayong si Dora. Ayan o. Dora the Explorer. Dora the Explorer. Dora! Tao po! Hana! Again, sorry? We book through Airbnb. How can you access this door? Well,
a few moments later.
Wow. Hindi mo akalain. Ngayon, mag-unpack ako ng gamit. Actually, hindi unpack. More of like bukas lang ng bag. Pagod. Ano pa tayong ginagawa? Napagod na ako. Yung bag ba talaga? Feeling ko yung boobs ko yung mabigat. Okay. Sobrang laki na, hindi ko na madala. Awaw. Ikaw? Makikilala ka na ng mga tao. Ito na yung aming bus. Yo. Hindi. Ba't basa? Humiwalay muna ako sa tour namin. Ongoing yung tour kasi, pero nakapag-tour na ako sa ganito. Woo! Masarap sana, kaso ang daming buto. Gano'n ka daming buto. Ganyan yan. Di ba sa pag-ano? So, ang next stop natin is yung Cu Chi Tunnel. Para malaman natin at mapag-aralan kung paano nagtago at nag-survive yung mga Vietnamese during war.
During the WhatsApp. And who wants to try this one? You go down for.
Hindi na ka nakalabas.
More? No, right?
Yan. Oh, you will see my kilikili.
Okay.
Okay. Ako naman, ganito ko tataguan yung mga may utang sa akin. Kunyari ganyan. Ay, andyan na siya. Ayan daw, oxygen daw yan during war. Sa atin sa Pinas, nuno yan sa punso, di ba?
Gucci. Oh, no choice. Oh. It's just quick. You need to take it very, very quick. But
dito na tayo sa barilan. Woo! Parang wag! Ang lakas! Try ko sanang bumaril. Kaso, walang pistol na available. Yung AK-47 lang, which is nakakatakot sa sobra.
It's already cooked.
Okay, you go first. Oh, wow. Kaya mo to. Hindi pwede yung jubis dito. Natin yung 100 meters. Tingin mo. Sorry.
No problem.
Diba, may picture taking. Kami dito.
Okay. Basic question. Go more. 3. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that's good. Ay. Tama na to. Gutom na ako. Gutom na kami. Saan tayo kakain? Nandito na kami ngayon sa Mekong Delta River as our next stop. Masarap na.
The different color right here. If you have
May ngumiti ka. Virgin coconut milk. Ano mo? I'm good.
right,
Yee.
good for your.
You first.
I ride a motorbike cannot.
Very few.
Yeah, very few. In Vietnam, this one very few. No worry. Just take a shot. And that time you can feel the virus in your
Sampai.
body. For the first time, very bitter, spicy. But after that,
Yeah, it's
a
good.
little sweet.
Oh.
A little sweet in your snack. You know, ghetto.
Snake. Huli mo na sinabi na inom ko na.
Don't worry, this one in Vietnam, the main thing the lady after that night. You have
Massage daw ng snake. Tapos ko. Hold it?
you have to hold the snake. Smile, smile, don't be sweat. Smile.
So, suot muna tayo ng tapote. On the way kami dun sa river. Parang, ewan ko kung yun talaga yung Mekong River o itong buong to is Mekong Mekong River. Maganda yun kasi sasakay kami ng boat.
Outdoor. That's it, the small boat. Yes.
Yay! Ano yun? Jackfruit. Wala na sila. Iniwan nila yung tip, kukunin ko. Ganito yung mga ante. Yung mga tita. Ganyan sila magpuusing.
Don't put the F outside here, everyone. Just when
You're fun. Oh, you're coming with us.
I cannot swimming right now.
Oh, you sing? Oh, you... Oh. Oh. Yeah. Smile, put smile here.
Muốn chụp hình.
Ay.
Okay.
You want me to do your job?
Okay.
Okay.
Let's wait here.
I will sing for you guys. Awiragururu, leron-leron sinta. Ano sunod? Buko ng papaya. Panay-panay sinto. Oh, almost done. Bye! On the way kami sa Bentan Street Food Market. Famous ito sa mga tourists for food spot talaga. Parang ngayon pa tayo nagpambahay. Tingnan mo naman mga tao. Yeah. Dating na rin namin. Kanina pa namin hinahanap. Pho Vietnam. Kung gusto nyo ng the best, one of the best, or the best pho dito sa Ho Chi Minh, Saigon. Wow! Woo! Tayo muna. Bye!